Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next problem. Problem having been chosen from the same book, Modern Physics, by Stephen T. Thornton and Andrew Rex. As usual, we first come to its statement. Okay. Calculate the impact parameter for scattering a 7.7 million electron volt alpha particle. Okay, dear student, this is a mistake. This is not a particle, this is actually alpha. This is alpha. Alpha particle from gold at an angle of 1 degree and 90 degree. First, let us okay, dear students, we leave it. This alpha, another way to replace this alpha, I think this is a minor mistake, but mistake is mistake. No, okay. Calculate the impact parameter for scattering a 7.7 million electron alpha particle from gold at an angle of 1 degree and 90 degree. Okay. Now we move to its solution. Okay. But before going into solution, we will have a short look at introduction of some basic terms having been used in this problem. Okay, first is alpha particle. Okay, alpha particles, also called alpha rays or alpha radiation, consist of two particles, consist of two protons and two neutrons bound together into a particle identical to a helium-4 nucleus. Okay, dear students, this introduction about alpha particle was taken from Wikipedia. Okay, so this information is quite sufficient. From this information, two protons, okay, this two number will be used in our solution. Okay, two protons and two neutrons. Okay, here we are concerned with these two protons. Okay, now we come towards gold. Gold is a chemical element. It has symbol Au, aurum, from Latin aurum, gold. Okay, in Latin, element gold might be called aurum. That is why its symbol is Au. Okay, A capital and small, U small. And atomic number 79. Okay, gold is a chemical element. It has symbol Au, capital A small u, from Latin aurum, meaning gold, and atomic number 79. Okay, now we come towards the atomic number. Atomic number or proton number, symbol Z, the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. The atomic number is equal to the number of electrons orbiting the nucleus in a neutral atom. Okay, because dear students, proton contains positive charge and electron contains equal negative charge. So in a neutral atom, both number of both these particles is exactly same. That is why overall charge is zero. Neutral atom is neutral atom has equal number of protons and equal number of electrons. Okay, electrons are much light particles due to which they revolve around the nucleus, while proton is much massive or heavy particle as compared to electron. That is why it remains inside the nucleus. Okay, now we come towards the nucleon number, which is also called mass number. Okay, nucleon number or mass number, its symbol is A. Okay, symbol A, the number of nucleons in an atomic nucleus of a particular nuclide. Dear students, next there is a snapshot in which a table of physical constants has been shown. This table consists of a large number of physical constants. We may pick that constant which we may need in the solution of this problem. Okay, so we skip detail of this table. Okay, next snapshot, impact parameter B is defined. B is given in mathematical form. Okay, this is equation number 4.6. It means chapter number 4 of the book from which this snapshot has been chosen or taken or selected. Okay, I think I am not sure. I think this snapshot in which expression for impact parameter B is given has been chosen or selected from the book Modern Physics by Kenneth S. Crane. Okay, anyhow, impact parameter B is equal to Z1 Z2 E square over 8 pi epsilon naught K into cot theta by 2. Okay, equation number 4.6. Here, dear students, Z1 and Z2 is the atomic number of Z1 is the atomic number of one element, while other is Z2 is of other. Here we are taking into consideration helium, alpha particle and gold. Okay, so one of these has 2 protons and other has 79 protons. Okay, so in place of Z1 Z2 we will put 2 multiplied by 79. Okay, however, value of E elementary charge is given in the table. Let us this here. Electronic charge E equal to 1.602 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 Coulomb. But we will not need to put this value. Okay. Next, it is E square over 8 pi epsilon naught. Okay, dear students, in the same table, actually value of E square over 4 pi epsilon naught is also separately given. So this, okay, this E square over 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 1.440 electron volt into nanometer or million electron volt into femtometer. Okay, nano means 10 raised to the power minus 9, while femto means 10 raised to the power minus 15. Okay, we can use either of these two values. Okay, either in terms of electron, when electron volt will be used, then nanometer, when million electron volt, then femtometer. Okay, so dear students, in this problem we will not have to put the value of E 1.602 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 Coulomb, but rather we will use this combined value E square over 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, moreover, this K is kinetic energy. Okay, dear students, this factor is also denoted by K, but this is denoted by small k, this is capital K, this is kinetic energy. Okay, cot theta by 2. Theta is the scattering angle. Okay, in the next snapshot, the same philosophy has been repeated in a slightly different mode. What is slightly different? Scattering impact parameter B equal to Z. In place of Z1 Z2 it is small z and capital Z. Small e square over 2 into k into 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, what change actually 8 has been split into 2 into 4. Moreover, remaining I think same. Okay, cot theta by 2. Okay, now we move forward and see some other snapshot. No, the snapshots are quite okay. Now we will use this snapshot either upper or lower. Okay, because both are same alternate version. Okay, the relation between the impact parameter b and scattering angle theta for Coulomb scattering is b equal to z1 z2 e square over 8 pi epsilon naught k into cot theta by 2. Equation number 1. What we have done, we have just utilized snapshot. Okay, either upper snapshot or lower snapshot. Okay, because both snapshots are exactly same. Okay, part A. Now we are going to solve part A. In part A, what is asked in part A? In part A, angle is 1 degree, while in part B, angle is 90 degree. Okay, 1 degree and 90 degree, only angle is different. Okay, using Z1 equal to 2, Z2 equal to 79, theta equal to 1, kinetic energy K equal to 7.7 million electron volt. Okay, dear students, this value is provided in the statement, while a little descriptive information which was taken from Wikipedia was included in the starting portion of this problem, in which atomic number, mass number, alpha particle, gold were discussed. According to that discussion, one of this 2 is for gold, while this 79 is this 2 is for helium nucleus, helium 4, that is alpha particle. Okay, for alpha particle 2 protons, and hence this 2 is for alpha particle, while this 79 is for gold. Okay, 2 for alpha particle or helium nucleus and 79 for gold or aurum. Moreover, 1 degree is also provided in the statement, and this kinetic energy, that is 7.7 million electron volt, is also provided in the statement. Now we are just moreover, we will also use this value which is provided in the table of physical constants. Okay, E square over 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 1.440 million electron volt into femtometer in equation number 1. Okay, in equation number 1 we will put these values, all these values. When we will put all these values in equation number 1, we will find the value of impact parameter B. Okay, impact parameter B equal to 2 into 79 into 1.440 million electron volt into femtometer divided by 2 into y2. We see, dear students, we see if this 2 yes, because dear students, E square over 4 pi epsilon, this is one value. In place of this we have used one value. In place of this we, okay, 1 2 is for alpha particle helium nucleus, and other 2 is this which is contained in the formula. Okay, so we should not confuse 1 2 with other 2. Okay, this 2 is for alpha particle. Okay, number of protons in helium nucleus, alpha particle. Okay, this is that 2, while this 2 is of formula. Okay, actually both these will be cancelled. Okay, moreover this will become cot 0.5. okay, because when we will put cot theta equal to 1 degree, then cot theta by 2 will become 1 by 2 or 0.5, okay. And if we find the value of cot 0.5, then it will be 114.59. Okay, I have taken this value from internet, okay, online converter, okay, from internet or online converter. I have taken the value of cot 0.5 degree, which is 114.59. Remaining, this is quite a simplification of above values, okay. So quite simple, quite simple, quite simple. Our answer becomes B equal to 1.69296 into 10 raised to the power minus 12 meter, okay. Here we can give another name to 10 raised to the power minus 12, okay, because dear students, we know that 10 raised to the power minus 3 is called milli, 10 raised to the power minus 6 is called micro, 10 raised to the power minus 9 is called nano, 10 raised to the power minus 15 is called femto. Similarly, this figure, that is to say 10 raised to the power minus 12, has also a prefix notation, but for the time being I do not remember. Anyhow, in this form it is quite okay, okay. I mean, in place of 10 raised to the power minus 12, we can replace this thing by a single alphabet, which is equivalent to this value 10 raised to the power minus 12, okay. Anyhow, now we come towards part B. In part B, all other values are exactly same, only theta is different, okay. When theta is 90 degree, then B, we know that B is equal to this in part 1, okay. B, when theta equal to 90 degree, then B which was in part A, this, which it will be multiplied with cot 45 degree and divided by cot 0.5 degree, okay, because in part A, cot 1 was used, but now we need to abolish, we need to cancel the effect of that cot 1 by 2 or cot 0.5. That is why here we are dividing it by 0.5, so that part A may become without cot 1 by 2. And we are multiplying it with cot 90 by 2, that is cot 45 degree, okay. So dear students, simplification of this term becomes B equal to 1.69296 into 10 raised to the power minus 12 meter into 1 over 114.59, and this becomes equal to 0.0147 into 10 raised to the power minus 12 meter, and this alternatively can be written as 1.47 into 10 raised to the power minus 14 meter, because dear students, here we are shifting decimal 2 stages ahead, so value of 10 raised to the power minus 12 will be increased by 2 further negative grades, okay. So I think this is the end of our problem, this is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.